Stand straight with your feet shoulder width apart. Hold the dumbbells in your hands facing upwards. Exhale and curl the dumbbells up to your chest. Keep your elbows fixed as you slowly bring the dumbbells down and repeat. Focus on keeping the elbow fixed. Bring the dumbbells down with control. Inhale as you go down and exhale as you lift up. In your biceps. Keep your shoulders pulled back and down. Avoid rounding of the shoulders. Place your hands on a bench behind you, fingers facing forward. Keep your shoulders, back and collarbone wide. Heels grounded on the floor. Inhale. Bend your elbows and slowly lower down. Keep the back flat. Exhale. Press into the heel of the palm to push up. Don't sink into the shoulders. Keep them away from your ears. Don't sink into the shoulders, they should stay away from the ears. You should feel in your triceps. Make sure your hips don't push forward. Move from your arms more than from your hips. Keep your elbows hugging the ribs. Avoid rounding of the shoulders. Hold a set of dumbbells with your palms facing each other. Exhale and curl the dumbbells up to your chest. Keep your palms facing each other throughout. Inhale as you lower the dumbbells with control. Do not touch your elbow to your waist. Inhale as you lower down and exhale as you lift up. Don't swing your hips or elbows. Inhale as you lower down and exhale as you lift up. tall on the bench with palms placed next to the hips. Inhale, grip the edge of the bench, round the upper back slightly. Exhale, push into the bench and lift the hip up. Engage the abs and squeeze the inner thighs together. Hold here for 20 seconds. Keep the elbows locked as you stay lifted. Exhale and tighten the abs. Body may lean forward to counterbalance the knee tuck. Squeeze the inner thighs. Get into a plank position on your elbows. Keep your tailbone tucked in, abs tight and shoulders pushing the floor. The entire body must be engaged. Now place one elbow with the palm one after the other. You will be in a high plank position. Avoid sinking from the lower back. Avoid rocking from the hips. Palms should always be placed directly below the shoulders and not ahead. Palms should always be placed directly below the shoulders and not ahead. Sit down with your feet hip-width apart and palms placed behind at shoulder width. Your palms must face backwards or outwards. Lift your hips up. Using the opposite arm and leg, walk forward and backward. And repeat. And while moving sideways, move the arm and leg of the same side together. Don't let your knees buckle in. Using the opposite arm and leg, walk forward. Keep maximum weight in the core and not in your palms. Keep a micro bend in your elbows. And while moving sideways, move the arm and leg of the same side together. Avoid sinking into the shoulder blades. Don't let your knees buckle in. And while moving sideways, move the arm and leg of the same side together. Keep pressing the floor away from you. Don't let your knees buckle in. And while moving sideways, move the arm and leg of the same side together. Keep maximum weight in the core and not in your palms.